CCUT 120 PCS Baby Safety Pins Plastic Head White Baby by CCUT is one of the best sellers among diaper pins and fasteners products. Packing list: 120 pieces safety pins. 1 by Velvet Pouch Stainless Steel. The manufacturer's super strong diaper pins are made of stainless steel which resist bending, breaking or rusting. Topped with solid plastic safety locks built to outlast egging, pulling and even machine laundering. And these head pins is safe with the smooth plastic head, easy to open and close. Easy and safe. Fold on a flat cloth diaper, and keep it right where it needs to be with CD pins, fitted with locking head closures that easily and effectively cover the pin for safety. Multi-purpose. Great for holding cloth diapers, and sorting socks or gloves. You can also use them for crafts, baby shower invitations and games, jewelry, laundry pins. Solid color. Come with 120 pieces white baby diaper pins, and packing with black velvet pouch as shown. Customer indemnification. The manufacturer are committed to supporting best customer service. If you are unsatisfied, just contact them. The manufacturer will give you a 100% refund and lifetime warranty.